Your mug still sits by the sink, the ring on the rim. Pass it in the dark like I might still see you in it. The old screen door sighs when the wind leans in, and the porch light shakes like it knows where you've been. I keep your sweater on my chair just to feel less alone. I say your name to empty air, then let it fade to stone. Come back soft, come back slow. I still hear you in the window glow. Come back soft, come back close. I still hold you where the cold wind goes. Your notice folded thin in the book by my bed. 3 words in your hand that I still replay in my head. The radio drifts off key past the last train sound, and I trace your laugh like it might bring you around. I keep the porch swing moving even when I'm not there. Some nights it feels like you are sitting in the air. Come back soft, come back slow. I still hear you in the window glow. Come back soft, come back close. I still hold you where the cold wind goes. If I let go first, would it hurt less then? Or would the whole house ask for you again? I fold the dark around me like your old coat sleeve, and I swear your footsteps live in the boards I breathe. Come back soft, come back slow. I still hear you in the window glow. Come back soft, come back close. I still hold you where the cold wind goes. Come back soft, come back home. I still love you, even now you're gone.